You sit down, open your laptop, tell yourself, all right, today we lock in. And then your brain suddenly becomes allergic to studying. Like seriously, you can watch a man crush hydraulic presses for 4 hours straight, but 7 minutes of studying feels like psychological warfare. Why? Why does your brain act like homework is a life-threatening event? Well, because your brain is basically a dopamine-addicted goblin. Your brain has one main goal: use the least energy possible while staying alive. That's it. Your brain does not care about your exams, your GPA, your future, your motivational TikToks. It cares about survival. And from your brain's perspective, studying is terrible. Think about it. Thousands of years ago, humans needed brains for hunting, escaping lions, finding food, not dying, not memorizing chapter 4 of economic theory. Your brain evolved for immediate rewards. Study now, maybe reward later. But TikTok? Reward, reward, reward. Every 3 seconds, your brain sees this and goes, oh yeah, that's the good stuff. And this is where dopamine comes in. People think dopamine is the happy chemical. Not exactly. Dopamine is more like, yo, do that again. It's your brain's reward system. And modern apps are basically engineered by evil wizards to abuse it. Notifications, short videos, infinite scrolling. Your brain loves unpredictable rewards. Because maybe, just maybe, the next video will be even funnier, so your brain keeps scrolling like a raccoon digging through trash. Meanwhile, studying is the opposite. Studying gives delayed rewards, mental effort, frustration, confusion, emotional damage. So your brain goes, absolutely not. And here's the worst part. The more overstimulated you are, the harder studying becomes, because your brain adapts to fast entertainment, which means normal tasks start feeling unbearably slow. That's why after watching TikTok for 2 hours, reading one page feels like climbing Mount Everest barefoot. But here's the cool part. Your brain is actually trainable. The more you study consistently, the easier it becomes, because your brain starts associating studying with rewards. That's why starting is the hardest part. Once you enter focus mode, your brain slowly stops screaming, usually. Sometimes it still screams. And there's another trick. Your brain loves progress. That's why checking boxes feels weirdly satisfying. Small wins create dopamine too. So if you try to study for 12 hours straight Sigma grind set, your brain will probably file for bankruptcy. Instead, tiny sessions, visible progress, fewer distractions. That's how you slowly trick your caveman brain into cooperating. So basically, your brain doesn't hate studying because you're lazy. It hates studying because evolution never expected humans to sit in a room, memorizing PowerPoint slides to get a PDF certificate for a job that involves answering emails. Your brain was built for survival. Modern school just kind of happened. And if this video gave your brain at least 0.3 seconds of dopamine, subscribe. Anyway, I'm gonna go study now.